Cool. I look like I know nothing about sneakers in this video. Hey, thanks for tuning in. I'm SB Mitch. You could follow me on Twitter or Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. Below that handle is a website. It's called Ransom Note Sneakers. That just happens to be my website. Any of the shoes from this box you can find there for sale today at 6:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, because that's when the website updates. Updates Fridays and Sundays. Because that's something new I'm doing, just for fun, I guess. Thank you to everyone who tuned in for the live unboxing yesterday. That was pretty cool. If you haven't seen that video yet, please do go check it out, because that's where you can sign up for the 10,000 subscriber beater box giveaway I'm doing. One lucky person in the United States will win a $500 beater box from Sole Supremacy, courtesy of moi, which is French for Mitchell. But yeah, go sign up, and all the rules and details and all that stuff is in the video description on that video. So there it is, you can check it out there. Totally forgot that I can do that kind of stuff. But this box today is from Sole Supremacy also. This box was $625 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois. Say hi to your cousin Lou for me. For a grand total of $665. These boxes are priced under market, so there's a really good chance we can make some money on them. Clarence will let you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary marketplace, and then we'll break it down at the end to show you how much I paid versus the actual market value of the box to see how much money we're gonna make. So let's open the box. I would make a comment about the live unboxing, but I'm actually recording this before the live unboxing happens, so I don't know what's in that box. Hopefully it's good. This box is open. Got one loose pair of shoes, and it is an Air Jordan 5. This is the 2013 release of an Air Jordan 5 LANEY. You could tell from the blue and the yellow on the midsole that this is definitely a LANEY release. No lace locks, which is kind of a bummer. Pretty good amount of insole wear. The Jumpman is gone. A little bit of outsole discoloration and a little bit of cage discoloration. Size 11, so it's a pretty decent size. Probably not much value here. Maybe like $100, a little bit lower than that. But there's your first shoe out. LANEY 5s in a size 11 with no box. Let's grab this one here. It's a Nike sportswear box. It is in not the greatest shape. It's a size 11 Nike Air Penny 5. This is a worn pair, pretty lightly worn. I do not know anything about Air Penny 5s or Air Pennies in general. Based on the stripes along here, this is probably a Memphis Tigers Air Penny 5, which is where he went to school, I think. But yeah, it's in pretty good shape. Just a little bit of outsole discoloration and some wear. It says, "Ballin' is what I was born to do." Penny logo on the tongue. Yeah, this is a pretty slick shoe. I don't know how old this is. Materials are kind of cool. I just don't know about these stripes and everything, but there you go. Size, what did I say, 11? Yeah, size 11, Air Penny 5, Memphis Tigers colorway, I think. I'm guessing. Fear of God box. Got a Nike Air Fear of God 1 and a men's size 13. Oh, these are the Raids. Okay, so this is a very lightly worn pair. This is the Air Fear of God, Air Raid, whatever you call it. A little bit of outsole wear. It's the bone, light bone colorway. It's got the lace locks, it's got the inserts. Pretty good condition. I don't know what, I think these are going for under retail now, but it's also a size 13. Got the secondary laces in here, so that's good. Not a bad shoe, not in bad shape. Just needs a solid cleanup. Nice materials on here. I am not a fan of this silhouette or pretty much any of the Fear of Gods that have come out. It's not my thing. Too futuristic for me because I'm old, but there you go. Size 13, Air Fear of God Raid in the light bone colorway. That's 3 down. Looks like there's 4 more in here. It's a Nike red box. This is a size 10.5 Air Max Penny. I have no idea about Air Max Pennies. This is a worn pair of some kind of, what is this, University Red? Some kind of University Red Air Max Penny. Yeah. I don't know if there's a different name for these, but I mean, it's basically an Air Max Penny in a University Red colorway. Being that I just unboxed a Air Penny 5, I much prefer this silhouette. I think this is much cooler looking. I like the lacing system a lot better. But yeah, jewel swoosh with some like cool something underneath it. Yeah, this is a really slick shoe. I'm not a fan of red shoes at all. And when I say red, I mean mostly red shoes. Like, I don't like Red Octobers. I don't like Toro Bravo 4s. Slick colorway, slick silhouette. It's in good shape, 10.5. Air Max Penny. University Red, maybe? I don't know. Some kind of Adidas something. Ooh, okay, cool. So this is a size 12 Dame 4 Bape. I mean, I already know what this is just by the box, but this is indeed the collaboration with Damian Lillard of the Portland Trail Blazers and Adidas with a bathing ape. This is the Dame 4 Bape, the camo colorway. They did a bluish one or blackish, whatever you call it, and then also a red one, but this is the more widely available one. These are in good shape. I mean, there's very little outsole wear and stuff, just needs a good cleanup. Ooh, slick colorway. I've never actually worn these. I don't know if they're good for basketball or not, but there's definitely lots of normal things that you will see on bathing ape clothing, just in shoe form. So size 12 is, I don't know if it's a good size for these. I highly doubt it. Size 12, Dame 4 Bape in the green camo colorway. Cool. Box is a little beat up. It's all right. Next up, it's an Air Jordan 11 Retro size 13, probably Concords, and they are Concords. Oh boy, are they worn. These need a real solid cleanup, but it is a pair of Concords in size 13. I mean, you can see, hopefully, if the camera shows it, these are very dirty. They're not beat up, they're just dirty. Like someone wore these and just never cleaned them. So maybe I'll do a cleaning video on these. We'll do some on these puppies here. That'll be a fun video. Probably a good 7 out of 10 condition before cleaning them. I don't know if cleaning them will help them bring out some life into them, but a lot of insole wear. Outsoles just need a good cleanup. There's a little bit of dragon stuff, so dragon stuff. Dracarys. It's a Jordan 11 Concord in a size 13. It's too early for this stuff. So we got one more in here. It is a Jordan 1 because that's just what I do. I save Jordan 1s for last. This is a size 13 Air Jordan 1 Retro High. OG. Oh, okay. All right, so this is actually pretty cool. So this is part of the best hand in the game pack, but this is the, I think the Europe only release, Europe and Asia only. This is the track red or whatever it's called kind of colorway. So there were 4 colorways that released. The yellow ochre, which was also Europe and Asia, I think. Clay green and blue moon. The blue moon and the clay green were US releases, but cool. I've never actually seen these in hand. This red is a lot different than I expected. These are in really good shape. I mean, there's just a little bit of outsole dirt, I guess you could call. The suede is still in really good shape. Little tiny bit of heel drag on there, not too much. No star loss whatsoever, so that's cool. Yeah, these are in really, really good shape. Very pumped on that. Just kind of a big size 13. There you go. Best hand in the game, track red. Is that what it's called? Track red? I don't even know, but hey, cool. There's your box. So again, this is a $625 box. This is kind of what you gotta expect in this kind of price range. Let's go through it and give it a grade. All right, we're gonna give this box a grade through 3 categories: condition, sizes, value. Let's do condition first. There are
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 pairs of shoes in this $625 Sole Supremacy beater box. None of them are dead stock. 1 has no box. They're all in okay shape. Condition on this box, we'll say about a B-. Sizes, we have 11, 13, 10.5, 12, 13, and 13. The problem with bigger sizes is people aren't buying bigger sizes to flip. People are buying bigger sizes to actually wear, which is nothing wrong with that. I mean, if you're gonna buy shoes to wear, then you're gonna wear them. More often than not, sizes like 7 through 9 are usually bought to be flipped again. So sizes on this box in terms of flip value, not really that great. Sizes, we're gonna say about a C-. Value, that's where it comes into play. I think this box has pretty good value. Even with the sizes that are in here, this box is gonna have good value. The Fogs have decent value. The Bapes have decent value. Those track reds probably have good value. Concords are a classic model. And those other 3, probably good for like 75 to 100 bucks each. I think the value is what saves this box. So value on this box, we're gonna give it a B+. So with the grade of B- for condition, the grade of C- for sizes, and the grade of B+ for value, this $625 Sole Supremacy beater box gets a letter grade of B. So I gave this box a B, and I also said it has tremendous value. Let's see if I'm an idiot.
Break down! Too legit, too quick, too legit. Oh wait, that's the wrong song.
see if I'm more of an idiot. That's what the purpose of that last part was. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you're interested in any of these shoes, they'll be on my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That website is called Ransom Note Sneakers, and the web address is ransomnotesneakers.com. Remember to watch yesterday's live unboxing to find out how you can enter to win a beater box of your own. That's basically all I got for you. I hope you have a good rest of your weekend. We'll see you on Monday for some kind of haul series, and good luck if you enter the giveaway. So remember to take care of each other, and I'll see you next time. Toodly-doo.